2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee is in the house. Man, these things have so much chrome on them, it's not even funny. So we're gonna transform the whole entire vehicle, take it from chrome, daddy mobile, mommy mobile, into something completely transformed, into something special. We're gonna start by powder coating the wheels gloss black. We're gonna color match the center caps directly to it. Also, the lug nuts that you see right there, we're gonna put gloss black lug nuts just to tie the whole thing together. And then from there, chrome delete all the accents all the way around using vinyl. And then from there, we're gonna transition to the front, take it apart, black it out. From there, we're gonna do window tint, so that way it creates a nice transition from the body of the vehicle all the way to the rest of this car. So stay tuned. This thing's gonna be coming at you with a full transformation and the process on how we're gonna complete it and make it look like a customized car with the RTP Customs touch.